Melody's lonesome for the road, and when I'm on the road, I'm lonesome for my crazy lady, for my crazy lady in my arms. Well, kiss my boots, you know they've weathered so. Salt down on the road, I'm longing for my crazy lady, for my crazy lady in my arms. Don't you know she's the girl who keeps me alive? The pills and the bottles, it's a wonder I'm still alive and I feel fine. Well, hell and back was fine, but the food was cold. Lost some grain stamps in Calgary, Kojak with a Kodak. Feeding the bears in Cowtown breaks me down. Got my nightgown on, sandbagging on Sesame Street, with my ears on in the back row. Ain't no love at my front door. The only sleeper creeper around was a buffalo. Now hang on a minute, bring it down here. So this second verse, we'll go over the lyrics on this one. Got my nightgown on, sandbagging on Sesame Street. Got my nightgown on means that you're sitting in the back of your cab. That's what that means. Sandbagging means that you're listening to the CB, but you're not saying anything. Sesame Street means you're listening to the main station where you're the main channel that you're going to listen to, where everybody finds people and says, let's go to this channel. With my ears on in the back row, well, okay, that means, I'm checking things out. The back row is a part of the trucker area where they park. The back row is where maybe some seedier things happen. Ain't no love at my front door. I think that's self-explanatory. The only sleeper creeper around was a buffalo. Well, in a family show, the sleeper creeper is somebody that does something creepy for money. And a buffalo is a male version of it. Got my nightgown on, sandbagging on Sesame Street, with my ears on in the back row. Ain't no love at my front door. The only sleeper creeper around was a buffalo. Don't you know she's the girl who keeps me alive? The pills and the bottles, it's no wonder I'm still alive, but I feel fine, 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 fine. Melody's lonesome for the road, and when I'm on the road, I'm lonesome for my crazy lady, for my crazy lady.